Oh, wow. Wow, very motivational music. Whoa, whoa. Hi, what's up, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, I'll be going to Germany at this point to check out two individuals I have no idea about what they're capable of when it comes on to music and to learn about them. So, this one is called Abor, and the second person is called Tynna. The song that I'll be reacting to, it's called Balor. National Final Performance, Eurovision 2025. So bear this in mind. It's my very first time learning about these two participants. So with this being said, let's have a very good quest and also a productive reaction. Peace. Okay, so I love the music entry. I love the instrumental beat. I love the staging. Very nice. Very nice presentation. I love the fingerworks on the instrument here. This is gonna be something I can remember. Extraordinary voice, beautiful woman, awesome personality. Her dressing looks great as well, so it's a full package for me. Right? I love where this is going. Very cute performance. Something that can literally makes you feel a little bit more relaxed. Right? So it's a relaxation music, bro.
Silhouetten auf dem Trottoir, zwischen unseren Tatort wie bei CSI. Das Baby tut mir leid, gesagt zum ersten Mal.
Oh my god, she's cute, bro. She's adorable. Right? And the way how she looks in the camera and holding that mic, you can tell that she's feeling the performance. The performance is giving a very great, energetic, yet revival spirit, bro. Nice. Nice. Eye contact is killing me, bro. Like, damn. Look at those eyes, bro. Very beautiful eyes. Very good. Very good. Very good. And when we speak about music, we have to include, right, personality. Because, we have artists that perform songs, do music videos, and the personality is different from when we saw them personally. So I guess what she's displaying here, that's her personality. And I do like people who goes with their personality when they're performing their music. This is wonderful. Gorgeous to listen to, beautiful to look at. I know it's gonna be a relaxation momentum. Yes, yes, girl. Yes, yes, yes. This is making me feeling good. Oh my god, yo. This is what people should listen to, music like this. Because you know why? A lot of garbage music are been releasing these days, and bro, trust me, we do miss the golden days when music was musicking. If that there's a word, then yeah, musicking. But she's giving that nostalgia feeling of when music was literal music back then. So miss, you should keep on this very path that you're traveling on, and trust me, you will gain new audiences on your support. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She's doing incredibly good. Trust me. Oh my god! What a music! What a darn music! Damn, bro. Okay. She's killing it. Hold on, is that a tambourine I just saw? We got the revival in my soul. Damn, the tambourine looks great in this, bro. I've seen so much music video came on here, people performing their music videos, doing their regular performances, and I never saw a tambourine displayed in their music video. Whoa, whoa, that is a remarkable sign to, to just live the music. Like, give the music time to grow, bro. Every instrument that can play music is a part of music. And to see a tambourine like this here displaying, bro, that's boss for me, bro. Give thanks, man. Give thanks. Her voice is adorable. Her energy is just so calm, spirited, but she's doing incredibly amazing. Trust me, Germany have a very big chance to win. And I could see the potential here. Trust me, potentially speaking, she's on a great track. Very good. Very good. And the music is just as is. Right? With the guy playing the instrument, with she's on the beat, he's on the vibe, she's not missing a drop. You all know that this takes a lot of practice, a lot of encouragement to push and go forward. Okay, so lovely one. It's a solid 10 for me. Oh, wow. Whoa, very motivational music. Bro, she have people on their feet. That is to show that everyone can sit so comfortably and not stand to support her. She's doing such an incredible job. I love it, bro. I love it. I love her music. I love her style. I love her vibe. I love her personality. It's a complete package to show and to display who is she personally. I could feel her personality all the way from Jamaica. All the way from Jamaica. So yeah, wonderful. Oh, wow. I never expected that woman to just rock and roll like that. Destroy the guitar, bro. The ending is crazy. Blah, blah, blah. Miss, I ain't gonna lie. You've done an excellent job. If your name is Tynna, then you've done well. You've done freaking well. and the crowd went wild. Yeah, well done. Well done, Abor and Tynna. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video.